Welcome to the new and improved DCA user interface. This short video will introduce you to the new interface and provide some basics regarding navigating the system. Whether you are a new user learning the DCA for the first time or an experienced DCA user, we believe the upgrades provide a much improved and intuitive user experience. Once you have logged in to DCA, you will be presented with the home page. To navigate to a desired location, you may either click the section name in the top navigation bar or click the appropriate icon on the screen. Your initial login of the day may include a pop-up alert window where important announcements regarding system features and functions will be presented. When you're finished reading the announcement, simply click the Close button to close the window. Clicking the Dashboards link will take you to a screen containing the following features. A panel on the left side of the screen where you can select from a menu of available dashboards. A section that displays the names of dashboards that you have made a favorite. Links to guides and tutorials. A link for reporting problems or issues with the dashboard feature. And a checkbox for making the dashboards page your default home page in DCA. To select a dashboard, click the down arrow on the left-hand panel. Then select the desired dashboard. The screenshot gives you a basic idea of what the dashboard will look like once it's launched. Each section of DCA, dashboards, queries, and reports, provides similar preview snapshots of subsequent screens. To launch a dashboard, click the Open Dashboard button. The dashboard will open in a separate screen. Within each dashboard, you can select the school year and the school to be displayed. The next link on the navigation bar is Queries. Queries allow you to build and/or modify your own custom reports. Clicking the Queries link will present you with a screen similar to the Dashboards link, with a navigation panel on the left side of the screen, a Favorites area, Guides, Problem Reporting, and Homepage designation. The queries themselves are displayed on the panel on the left and are divided into 4 categories: district summaries, dynamic queries, saved queries, and starting points. We are also working on the capability of providing a mechanism here for sharing queries with other staff. District Summaries contains a selection of district-wide data summaries that can be filtered in various ways. For example, clicking on the EL Students link will deliver a table containing all students in the district. These are large data sets that can be refined by using the filters on the top of each column. For example, if you wanted to look at Hispanic students only, you would scroll right to the Race Ethnicity column, enter Hispanic in the box, and select the desired filter. The grid will automatically update to include the new filter. The data can be further refined by adding additional filters. Dynamic queries allow you to build your own custom reports from scratch. Clicking the Open Query button will launch a query builder in a separate window. Building your report is a 3-step process. First, select the school year, student status, and school from the menu items on the top of the window. Second, Select your desired data elements using the drop-down menus on the left-hand panel. To add a data column to your report, click the blue plus sign. To remove a data column from your report, click the red X. The third step is to filter your data. Basic filters are accessed using the green plus icon. Advanced filters are accessed using the blue plus icon. Filtering involves first adding a filtering category and then entering the type of filter you want. Clicking Apply Filter will apply that filter to your report. Once you have built your report, the menu link in the upper right-hand corner provides a list of options, including options for saving, printing, and exporting your data, plus more. Saved Queries is where you will go to retrieve queries that you have previously built and saved using the menu link in the upper right-hand corner. Starting Points provides basic pre-built queries to help reduce the time it takes you to build a report from scratch. Next is the Reports link. Following the same logic as other sections of DCA, reports in various categories are accessed from the panel on the left side of the screen. Favorite reports, help guides, problem reporting, and homepage designation are all identical to what's on the queries and dashboard home pages. In addition, the reports homepage contains a feature where you can select a specific school as a default for all reports that you access, configure, and run. Enabling this feature for a school may save some clicks when you're configuring future reports. Returning to the panel on the left, each category contains a list of available reports. Simply click the down arrow next to the category to see its list of available reports. To access a report, click the report name. Once you click a report name, you will be presented with a thumbnail of the report, a description of what the report delivers, and a link to open the report. Some reports may also contain links to ancillary information about the report. If you arrive at a report preview page, but decide it's not the report you wish to run, you can either click Another Report on the left panel or close the report page by clicking the gray X in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking the star next to the report name will add that report to your favorites list on the report's homepage and/or allow you to manage reports that you have previously made a favorite. This favoriting function exists in all areas of DCA, including dashboards, queries, and reports. As was the case with dashboards and queries, to open a report, click the Open button underneath the report description. The report will open in a separate window. Your next step is to configure the report by selecting from the parameters presented on the top of the screen. Once your parameters are selected, click the View Report button to display the report using the current parameters. To view any change that you might have made to the report's parameters, after initially setting them, simply click the View Report button again. Many reports are delivered in multiple pages. Use the page controls to access each page in your report. The left arrow will return you to the original report once you have drilled down into a particular report. The search box allows you to search within the report. The disk icon allows you to save the report in multiple formats. And the refresh icon allows you to refresh the data in a particular report that you're viewing. The search box is available throughout DCA and lets you search for individual students using a name or student ID number, and it allows you to search for specific reports. Simply start typing until you see the results you want. The advanced search provides some additional options for conducting a search of DCA. If you select a student from the search tool, you will be presented with the student's profile page. This concludes the basic summary of the DCA interface. Check the Help section of DCA for additional tutorials and guides on using DCA.